and welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today we're going to be doing a couple of things. Yesterday we put a new queen in Hive White, or we're going to have to start calling her Hive Bianca because she's an Italian queen. So Hive Bianca has got a new queen. I also, on the outside behind the fowling board of that hive, I put a completely blank frame. And I was thinking afterwards that I really should have put that next to the queen so that when she does get released, she can have some place to go to lay right away. And I'm thinking that I'm also going to steal a comb, brood comb from Hive Stripe, just to give them a little more resources and to make sure we keep that brood smell inside that hive. So I've got my smoker lit up already, and just got to get my veil on. It's muggy out here today, and let's go check some bees. All right, we'll start off by giving them some smoke. And we're going to open her up. Oh, smokes. All right, so this is the bar that I want to move next to the queen's cage. It's got some pollen in it, really no other resources, but it's completely empty, so it would be a good one for them to start putting some brood on.
Junior, don't dig there.
While we're here, we might as well look to see if they're really festooning on this. Building some comb. Queen is still in there.
Why has a red dot on it?
Because it's marked. Red is for this year.
Oh, red is this year?
Yep.
What's our colors?
Green and white.
Oh.
All right. So I poked a hole. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I poked a hole in the sugar, the candy. Where did I put that bar? Okay, we're going to go over to Hive Stripe, and what we need to do here is steal a comb of brood. Okay.
No.
So what we're looking for is a comb that's got worker brood on it, but no queen. Worker brood, and no queen. No queen part is important. Bar. Alright, I want to make sure there's no queen on here. And double check, make sure there's no queen on here. Don't see any. Come on. I need my smoker. let's get this one put away. And let's get
Almost done.
almost. Do you want to put that hive together? Huh?
Hands hurt. Oh, wow.
All right. Look out, babies. All right, so we'll go ahead and put this one back together. What we did was we put a bar that's got brood in it for population boost and also for pheromones. And we put a empty bar next to the queen cage for the queen to, when she gets released, she can start working it right away. All right. Hive Bianca, she is still in her cage. I put a frame of empty drum comb next to her. And why is that pointing over there?
Oh, pointing to you.
Can you see me in it?
Yep.
All right. All right. So we got a bar of empty drawn comb next to her, so she can start laying into it right away. And we put a bar of brood comb from Hive Stripe in next to there too. So they'll get a nice population boost. And it is really muggy out, so we're going to call it a day. What are you doing?
Sorry.
I can't see it now.
Oh, you kidding?
You know,
Sorry.
all right, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out a lot. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing and it means a lot to me. When you do subscribe, make sure that you click on the bell that's right next to the subscribe button. And what that'll do is it'll give you notifications of any time that I upload any videos. So as always, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.